Got my 2016 Honda Accord Touring. We're gonna be replacing the front rotors and brake pads with some slotted. These are drilled and slotted. Got these from eBay. One Performance. Looks pretty decent. Here's the air vent. Got some ceramic brake pads. Came with the shims or the clips. Pretty good. CMX. Okay, we're gonna start off by taking off the lug nuts. 19mm socket. So I did jack up the car and I have jack stands. Got my 19mm. About to take off the tires. So now we're gonna take off the caliper. We're gonna release the 14mm right here. There's two, one on top and there's another on the bottom. So we'll go ahead and do that. So now I got both screws out, top and bottom. Let's remove the caliper. Just wiggle it out, just like that. Grab your bungee cable. Hang it somewhere so that the brake line doesn't get damaged. Like that. Okay, now I'm going to take off the brake pads. Take out this clip. I think it's like it spreads the brake so it doesn't. So yeah, we got two bolts. Top one and there's the bottom one. I'm gonna use the 17mm wrench. I also got I think it's a 3-pound sledgehammer. Make sure you go in the right way because you don't want to strip it. Okay, now we're gonna take out the rotors. There's one Phillips screwdriver here. I don't have an extension for this one, so I just connected a adapter, half. I don't know if you can see that, a half that goes onto here, and then a 3/8. Like that. And I found myself a Phillips drill bit that goes onto a 1/4 socket. Let's see if that works. easy. There you go. And then you just remove the rotors. Set that aside. Now we're gonna clean our bracket. First I'm gonna take off the sliding pins. Just like that. I'm gonna re-grease this up too. Gonna wipe off the excess grease so I can put some new one on. I want to check the rubber to see if it's not torn or hard. If it is, I will replace it, but this seems to be good. I'm gonna go spray this down with some brake cleaner just to get off the debris before I lube it up again. Okay, now we're gonna install our rotors. First, I'm gonna clean off all the grease that's on there. That comes in with the factory, just to keep it from rusting. I'll spray with some brake fluid. Make sure you have something to catch the excess brake fluid, because not brake fluid, brake spray, brake cleaner spray. Because this stuff will damage your floors. Flip it. Brake cleaner spray. Before I install the rotors, I want to put some anti-seize. Make it easier to remove next time. You don't have to put a lot. That. Install the rotors. Nope. Gotta make sure the screw hole lines up. Put the screw back on. Tighten it. Now we're gonna reinstall the bracket, caliper bracket. Get your 17. Let's start with the top. Can't see. Just 17. Torque your caliper bolts to 80 foot-pound. Before I put my pads in, I'm gonna grease the ends up. Just want to put a little bit. Install the pads. You notice the clip usually goes to the rear. Install the fronts. Compress back your calipers. Install your calipers. Don't forget your spreading pin. I don't know what it's called, but I call it the spreading pin. install back your 14mm bolts. Tighten your bolts. Use a 18. I don't have an 18, so I got a pressure wrench. Hold the back of the nut so you can screw this on. Get down to 37 foot-pounds. Put the wheels back on. Torque it down to 80 foot-pounds. That's it. There you go. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification button. And if you want to see more, I'm gonna install the TN suspension. Yeah, so now we're gonna take it for a test drive. Make sure you pump your brakes before you start your car. And we're gonna see how these brakes perform. Let's go. Pretty good. I like it.